Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix TikTok not letting you make a new account. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and update your TikTok application. As you can see, my TikTok is up to date. Then you simply need to go back and open your smartphone settings. So let me turn off the Bluetooth. Here you need to go into the app management and go on to the app list and search for TikTok, and you need to clear storage and cache. Once you done that, you are able to create a new account, and make sure that here you can see that you are using a different email or number, but if you are using the same number and email, you are unable to create a new account. So make sure that you are using a new number and new email address to create a new account. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.